What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade any pool from a chlorine pool into a saltwater pool. I just want to cover the basics of what you need to make this happen and go over some of the concepts. So to answer your first question is, what salt would you need to put in your pool? This is the exact pool salt I use in my pool. I have the Intex 18 by 52. That's 52 inches tall, 18-foot diameter. So I use about 6 to 7 bags of this salt right here. I get it at Sam's Club for about $7.48 per bag. So the next thing I want to go over, and I'll cover some of this other stuff in another video. This is all part of a series, so be sure to check that out. But this is the Intex QS 1200 system. And essentially what this does is turns the salt water that's in your pool. I want to show my pool real quick. So you pour that salt in the pool, all 6 or 7 bags in this, let it flow, it mixes around, and this system is what is responsible for keeping your pool clean and sanitary using that salt water. So this is the differentiator. And to go over that, the water comes out of your filtration system into the saltwater system and back into your pool. So again, in my scenario, this is all Intex branded stuff, but whatever your setup is, wherever your pump is flowing out of, the outlet port that goes back into your pool, you just need to connect this system as a middleman that the water will then flow through and back into your pool. So how does this work? Essentially, all this is doing is taking that salt water, flowing in through this across the diaphragm, applying electricity to that, and separating the sodium chloride into sodium and chloride gas that's immediately absorbed into the water as chlorine. So the question you might be having if you're a new pool owner is salt water the same as chlorine water? It is and isn't. Chlorine, if you chlorinate a pool, you have to add chlorine tablets constantly. With this system, this takes salt water that you've pre-mixed in your pool, and it slowly releases and turns the salt into chlorine. So you can't smell the chlorine, you can't taste the chlorine, and when you swim, your skin feels fine. It's a huge benefit, and in my opinion, this system is a set it and forget it system. So you pour in the 6 or 7 bags at the beginning of the season, and then this just runs every day, turning that salt water into fresh chlorinated water. This system even tells you if the salt's low. It goes through, and this is kind of dirty because sand and it's outside, but it'll tell me if my salt is low, which right now it is saying that. Salt's too high, goes through a lot of settings, but it just manages the entire system for you. So again, just to summarize what I've went over, essentially all that's happening is this device becomes the middleman from your filtration system back into your pool. So it flows into this and back in your pool, and it takes care of the saltwater process. And it does it automated, so you don't have to worry about it. So I highly suggest getting one of these if you're the type of person who doesn't want to have to manage your pool every single day. This system will just take care of it to where when you're ready to get in your pool, it's just ready and perfect. You just set it and forget it. So if you have any questions, put them in the comments. I'd be happy to answer. And again, this is part of a series. This is my Intex pool series, and I have a bunch of other videos covering everything. If you're new to an above ground pool or just pools in general, I've had my pool over 4 years now. I've tried to document everything I've done to be successful and low stress in terms of managing your pool.